In this video, I'm going to go through the May 2020 games section. Okay, so starting with game 1. All right, so we have an investigator trying to determine the order of 5 successive phone calls. So it's an ordering game. We have 5 players. Okay, each call was one of 2 types, local or non-local. So we have the order of the players, and then each one has to be labeled local or non-local. Okay. All right. Q has to be immediately before V, but sometime after S. S is of a different type from V, so we have SLVN or SNVL. That's one way of doing it. Or we can say SLVN, VL, SN, and vice versa. Okay, so this one would be a biconditional. Okay, so a couple ways to write that. I'd probably choose this because it's a little more succinct. Q's call and T's call were both local. So Q is local and T is local, somewhere around here. And the third call is non-local. Okay, so I would split a little bit based on this rule here before I begin. And the reason that I would do that is because I don't really have a lot of options for Q, right? So Q can't be first or last, and because Q is local, it can't be in the middle either. So if it's second, then S is first. Okay, and V would be non-local, therefore S is local. And then the remaining players are T and R. If it's T, that's definitely local, and then for R, we just don't know. Okay. And then the other option would be that V is last and Q is fourth. Okay. And at this point, then we don't really know what's going on here. So T, because it's local, can't be third. We could even write that up there if we want to. Q can't be third. Yeah, and then we just need to make sure that V and S are different types of calls. So if we want to do a little bit of work at the beginning to create a bit of a bank of acceptable solutions, these are the ones that I would create, and I wouldn't go much further with this guy here, right? Just keep it at that, rather than like splitting and creating more and more worlds or more and more scenarios. Okay, so I'll stop this video here, and then create another one for the next part, next question.